رضا الناس غاية لا تدرك ورضا الله غاية لا تترك فاترك ما لا يدرك لأجل ما لا يترك فالله يملك كل ما لا يدرك. People's pleasure is a goal that cannot be attained, while Allah's pleasure is a goal that cannot be ignored. So leave what can't be attained to what can't be ignored, because Allah owns all what we think cannot be achieved. It's a little bit deep, but inshallah ta'ala I will explain. One of the most reasons of tranquility and joy in our lives is not to seek people's pleasure when we are doing actions, not to seek people's pleasure. When we split our heart, we want people to be happy and Allah to be happy, then we will be suffering. Literally, what the statement says, it means people's pleasure, to make sure that everybody is happy with you, everybody love you, everybody is praising you, is a goal that cannot be achieved. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the best of mankind, and the kindest, the most merciful human being, still many people opposed him, spread rumors against him, said bad things about him, subhanallah. So achieving people's love and praise should not be our goal. Our goal should be gaining Allah's pleasure. When we do anything, it should be only for Allah's sake. And when you do it, when you do someone a favor, when you give somebody some help, any kind of help, whether financial help or any kind of help, do not wait for praise. Do not wait for a thank you. لا نريد منكم جزاء ولا شكورا. We do not want anything in return, and we do not even want a thank you. This should be our attitude when we are doing good to others. I am doing this for the sake of Allah. If the person thanked me, that's a bonus. I'm not doing it to be praised. I'm not doing it to be thanked. Subhanallah. Because when we do things just to please people, we will lose the reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُضِيعُ أَجْرَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Allah does not waste the reward or the effort of anyone who did good. So the ultimate happiness is to do as much good as possible, and with one goal in mind, and that is Allah's pleasure. If the people are happy and they praised you, alhamdulillah. If they are not, then that should not bother you at all. If it bothers you, that means you're not doing it sincerely for Allah's sake. We are, as Muslims, supposed to thank others, and it's from the Sunnah, but if we do not get the thank you, don't be upset. I love you all for the sake of Allah.